Reinvent the look of your 2005 to 2009 Toyota Tacoma and improve night driving with new headlights from ANZO USA. Installation is simple and only takes a couple of hours. These are the hand tools you'll need for the installation. Begin by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Remove the 2 push pins on the top edge of the grille. Then, remove the 10mm bolts on the top of the grille. Pull up on the grille until it pops free. Once the grille is free, set it aside for later reinstallation. Remove the push pin on the headlight trim. Using your panel popper tool, release the tab on the underside of the headlight trim and remove it. Remove the 3 push tabs on the top of the bumper. Remove the lower push tab on the inner fender. Remove the 10mm bolt that attaches the bumper cover to the fender. Pull the bumper cover forward to gain access to the bolts securing the headlight in place. With the bumper pulled forward, remove the 10mm bolt on the side and the 10mm bolt on the bottom of the headlight. Remove the last 2 10mm bolts on the top of the headlight. Pull forward on the headlight and remove the 3 connectors on the back side. Plug the 3 connectors onto the back side of your new ANZO headlight and bolt the headlight into place with the factory hardware. Repeat the previous steps on the other side and reinstall the factory parts following the instructions in reverse. Check the function of your new ANZO headlights once they're both installed. Before driving your car on the road, aim your new ANZO headlights using your factory manual, or watch our Aiming Your ANZO Headlights video. Don't get left in the dark. Visit ANZOUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.